Hello, good afternoon. Today topic is
Good afternoon.
string handling concepts. So what is string? String is nothing but a group of characters. So string is represented within the quotes only. So in string handling concepts, there are three operations. That is string, unstring, and inspect. In inspect, we can find three more options: tallying, replacing, and converting. Okay.
This morning.
So string, by using string operations, we can concatenate multiple substrings into single string. Okay. So in previous examples, we already know that we can like all subgroups data we can print in the group variable, right? All the
Yes,
subgroups
ma'am.
variable data we can directly print if you print the group variable. Like this, you can concatenate all the multiple substrings into single string,
Very well.
or we can combine the multiple variables into single variables. So that is string. So in string, we have multiple sending fields and only one receiving field. So there are multiple sending fields in the string, but there is only one receiving field in the string. In string operations, we are using delimiter to gather the particular characters from the given string. We are using what? Delimiters.
Daily.
So to get particular characters from the given string. So this is my variable declaration. So level number one elementary variable name is string, picture class alphanumeric with the 10 bytes. Now value is IBM mainframes. Okay. So by
Yes, ma'am.
using delimiters, no. So by using delimiters, we are accessing the particular characters of the given string. So to access particular characters from the given string, we are using delimiters. Delimiters prefix should be delimited by clause or delimited
Delimited by.
by clause. So there are three types of delimiters. In string, there are three types of delimiters: size, space, and user-defined delimiter. Okay. Size
Yes, ma'am.
represent all characters with what is the picture class length. Okay. So WSSTR delimited by size means, so you can see all the characters. Delimited
Okay.
by space means, so this is my string now.
Yes, ma'am.
All the characters you can see in the output field. IBM, MF, remaining
Space.
spaces are filled with spaces. That is size. Coming to space, whatever the space occurs, okay, only for the first occurrence. Okay. So before space characters will be considered. For the first time when space occurs, before the space characters will be considered. So after IBM you can find space. Okay. So
Yes,
before
ma'am.
the space characters will be considered. You can see IBM in the output if you are using delimited by space. User defined means you have to represent the character in within the quotes for the first occurrence of the user defined delimited before those characters will be considered. Okay. So within the
Okay.
code, what we are specifying, okay, that delimiter before characters will be considered. Okay. So
Four character.
in the
Okay.
quotes, I am giving M. WSTR delimited by within the quotes M.
And
So where is next one? Yeah. So this is my user defined and before characters will be considered, right? I can see IB in the output field. Understand about delimited size, space, and user defined?
yes, ma'am.
And so this is the syntax for string. Okay. String,
Yes.
you can write multiple substrings delimiters. So either it is a space or size or user defined. And these string 1, 2, 3 are concatenated string or combined string. So where we'll get all this string 1, string 2, string 3 into WSSTR, that this is the destination string. With the pointer means, so by default it starts from the first position. If you want to start from the middle, so you can specify the starting position in the pointer variable. Okay, so that pointer variable must and should be in numeric field only. Next,
String field.
is on overflow and not on overflow. So you already have idea about on-size error and not on-size error while
Yes, madam.
arithmetic operations.
Exception value.
Resultant memory is sufficient to the resultant variable or not. Like this, on-size, on overflow, not on overflow will be worked in the string operations. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Delimited by class. To represent the position from which position the string needs to be performed based on the size or space or user-defined delimiters. Okay.
Yes, madam.
So with the pointer will tell to declare the starting position of the destination string. So with the pointer variable name always is numeric data type only. Okay.
Yes, madam.
Means you're specifying some starting position
Yes, madam.
on overflow and not on overflow. Okay.
Yes, madam.
It is one of the exception handling, like on says error only. Okay. So
Yes, madam.
destination string size is less than the concatenated string size. The characters truncated occurs, then on overflow will be activated, not on overflow. If the destination string size greater than or equal to concatenated string size will be activated. Okay.
Yes, madam.
So there are different scenarios. So in my string 1, alphanumeric data type with value IBM MS. In string 2, my alphabetic data type with 15 bytes, my value COBOL at the rate PGM. And string 3, alphanumeric data type 1959 my data. Okay.
Yes, madam.
And this is my destination string. So picture class length is 25, values are spaces. So my pointer variable, it is must and should be in numeric field. Okay. So
Okay.
why we are giving two picture class length means, so here 2 digits value is there now.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Now
Okay.
the value to the pointer value, move one to pointer. Okay. So I want to start
Yes.
the first position. If I give here fifth means it will start from the fifth position. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Fifth position is what? Uh, I first position B 3 4.
Yeah, madam.
This M is
Yeah.
the fifth position.
Yes, madam.
From here onwards, your string will be started. Okay.
Yes,
So
madam.
string inside that string 1 is delimited by space. Delimited by space means first occurrence of the space in the string 1. So
Yes.
after IBM,
I.
there is a space. So before space, the characters will be considered. Means IBM is considered. After that, within the quotes, dollar delimited by size. You can see dollar in that. After IBM, you can see dollar. Okay.
Okay, man. In the output money.
Yes, yes. In the output,
Okay.
you can see IBM after dollar. Second string delimited by at the rate. At the rate is what within the quotes is specified the at the rate. This is what type of delimiter? User defined delimiter. Okay.
Yes,
User,
madam.
user defined delimiter within the quotes will write. So I have written string to user defined delimiter, and user defined delimiter before characters will be considered COBOL. Okay, you can see COBOL. After that, within the quotes, dollar delimited by size. Dollar will display. Third string delimited by size means, so what is the picture class length here? 4. So this 4 bytes will be printed. Okay,
Okay, madam.
into WSSTR. So with the pointer is
WSPT.
PTR. So starting position of WSPTR is 1 only. So on overflow, truncation is possible if WSSTR picture class length is insufficient to the resultant variable. If sufficient, not on overflow will be performed. Displays WSSTR and string. So in spool area, you can see IBM dollar COBOL dollar 1959. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So in second scenario, same example, but here I am not specifying pointer variable. Okay.
Okay.
In the first example, I have given the pointer variable, and with the pointer I have given. Okay. Here I
Yes,
removed the pointer variable, and with the pointer also removed. I can see the same output in the output field. With the pointer is not mandatory. Not with the pointer is not mandatory. By default, starting position is 1.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
In third scenario, so WSSTR. So directly I'm moving. Okay. Move,
Okay.
sorry, string within the quotes IBM delimited by size. Means you can see IBM in WSSTR. After that, dollar delimited by size, COBOL delimited by size, dollar delimited by size, 1959 delimited by size into WSSTR. Okay.
Yes, madam.
This is not clean. Wait, I have written wrong here. Okay, okay. Okay, this is the
Yes,
okay. I have just copied
yes, madam.
the previous code. That's the reason. Okay.
Okay, madam.
So into WSSTR, so if memory is sufficient, not on overflow will perform. Not sufficient means on overflow will be performed. Okay.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes.